Cetra 7000, 1 Golf Sierra. Boeing Tower, Skylane 121 Golf Sierra, holding short 32 left, Bravo 7, ready for straight out VFR departure.
Skylane 121 Golf Sierra, Boeing Tower, straight out departure approved, runway 32 left, Bravo 7, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 32 left, Bravo 7. And can I get a flight following frequency to the north, 1 Golf Sierra?
Number 1 Golf Sierra, I'll have it for you to exit the airspace.
Thank you. All right, all my lights are on. Mixture's full rich. We're lined up with the center line.
749 Yankee, roger.
Go full power. Double check that we've got good oil pressure. We do. Airspeed's alive. We're looking for 60. There it is. We pull back gently. Over 70 knots. Jay, put the flaps up. Perfect. Well done, my daughter. All right, that's 1,000. Pull the power back to 25 inches of manifold pressure. And we'll lean it to 16. Everything's still looking perfect. All right, let's close the cow flaps, Jay. So push that all the way down. Push it that way.
All the way down?
Push it all the way to the right, and then all the way down. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's level off here for a moment.
There's just this one big black building that's taller than all the others.
Yeah. True.
November 1 Golf Sierra, contact tail approach 120.4, safe flight.
Thank you, sir. 120.4. 1 Golf Sierra.
Good FN 020, more than at 2881.
Seattle approach, Skylane 121 Golf Sierra, VFR request.
Skylane 121 Golf Sierra, Seattle approach, standby. Cessna 68 Charlie, flight in 350.
Flight heading 350, 68 Charlie.
November 121 Golf Sierra, say request.
I'm heading to Bellingham. I'm just north of Boeing Field, 1500. I'll climb to 3500 for my final.
And November 1 Golf Sierra, say aircraft type.
I'm a Cessna Skylane.
Horizon 2881. You have traffic at your, that's previously issued traffic at your 1 o'clock, 5 miles, still eastbound, is passing through the final approach course now. Do you still have Painfield in sight at your 12 o'clock and 10 miles?
Hey, firm, we have field inside Horizon Air 2881.
Horizon 2881, clear visual approach runway 34 left, Painfield, contact Pain Tower, 132.95. Have a good day.
All right, clear for visual approach to 34 left and going tower Horizon 2881.
Compass 5705,
Oh,
contact
she's going to call me back up and give me a transponder code.
3, Compass 5705.
She's going to call me back and give me a transponder code.
Okay. What does that do?
It allows her to see me on radar,
Okay,
and then she can give me like traffic reports. She's like, oh, someone's coming at you.
got it. She can't do that already?
She can, but it makes it easier for her to identify me versus somebody else.
Got it.
All right, I'll level off one more time before I get out. So I get out, and once we cross over this blue line, we can go up to our final altitude of 3,500. Surprised it's taken her so long to get back to me.
There's so many sailboats
Yeah. Puget Sound's a very popular area.
for sailboating.
Yeah. For boating generally, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true. Super smooth.
Flying today? Yeah.
Flying and,
The water looks smooth. Yeah, there's no wind.
Remember that one time we were out boating on the Sound and we had to ride the wake of the container ship to get back because it was so choppy.
It was definitely choppy that day.
Cessna 68 Charlie, clear direct Bellingham, resume on navigation.
Resume navigation, 68 Charlie.
Cessna 68 Charlie, that was blocked. Just wanted to verify direct Bellingham.
Cleared direct Bellingham, resume navigation, 68 Charlie.
I wonder if she forgot about me.
Hope not.
At Seattle, Bonanza 323 Romeo Charlie.
Bonanza 3 Romeo Charlie, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sorry. I switched over to flight service to activate and forgot to switch back. I was wondering why it was so quiet.
Bonanza 3 Romeo Charlie, roger.
Should you check in?
I might in a second.
Bonanza 32 Whiskey, contact approach 120.1, and center approved your request for direct Astoria.
32 Whiskey, thank you for following the request and understand 20.1.
And Bonanza 32 Whiskey, 120.1.
32 Whiskey, Roger, 20.1, good day.
Bonanza 323 Romeo Charlie, contact approach 120.1.
120.1, thank you.
Seattle approach, Skylane 121 Golf Sierra.
Skylane 121 Golf Sierra, go ahead.
I had requested flight following and didn't get a transponder code.
Skylane 1 Golf Sierra, sorry about that. 3545 in ident.
3545 ident 1 Golf Sierra. That's the first time that's ever happened.
Interesting.
Skylane 121 Golf Sierra, your radar contact 7 miles southwest of Payne Field, Seattle altimeter 3028, stay altitude.
3028 and 3,500 for 1 Golf Sierra.
Skylane 1 Golf Sierra, altitude check.
All right, cool. So there we are. We're now kind of cruised out. Let's do a cruise check, JJ.
Okay.
So power, let's go to 24. Being a little bit foolish here. All right, start spinning that left, this here, and we're watching this number. Can't hurt it, trust me. We're trying to get that down to 2200. Okay, I'm gonna turn the.
Do I have to press it?
No, just spin it. Yep, just like that, exactly.
2200?
2200, yep. And I'm gonna adjust the throttle as we go. So that cruises us out so we're not climbing anymore. Yep, keep going.
Skylane 1 Golf Sierra, contact approach 128.5.
28.5, 1 Golf Sierra. All right, now, turn that out slowly.
Which way?
To the left, the red knob.
And what is it doing?
We're looking at that number, make it 13. Seattle approach, Skylane 121 Golf Sierra, level 3,500.
It's not doing anything.
November 121 Golf Sierra, Seattle approach, Roger.
Don, you're doing fine. Yep, slowly. Perfect. Yep, leave it right there.
It's
Now.
going down.
Yeah, it's okay. But yep, back to the right a little bit then.
Stop going down.
Okay, keep going to the right. Yeah, it gets a little fussy. You're doing fine though. Good, perfect. Leave it there. Just leave it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. It's fussy. So this controls how much gas is going into the engine.
Okay.
And if you don't have enough gas, then the engine gets really hot. If you have too much gas, it's inefficient.
Seattle approach,
Okay.
Skyhawk 634.
So what we're doing now is we're just getting it. So the combination of this number, and this number are how we get it sorted.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are we on autopilot?
We are on autopilot. So you can see here, if that says AP and is green, that means the autopilot's flying the airplane.
Okay.
All right, let's get Bellingham dialed in here. So Bellingham's ATIS is 13445. And Bellingham ground, do you want to do this? So Bellingham ground is 127.4. So see the blue box, the light blue box? That's the one you're going to change. And so push this in, push the button, push it in, and the blue box will change to the bottom one. Okay. Now the big knob, the one that's behind, is the numbers to the left of the decimal point. So we want that to be 127. Okay. And the little knob we want to be 400, 400. Yep. Okay, so now that's ground is dialed in. This is So right in front of us is Camano Island.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. The island we're over right now is Whitby. So
that's where Kat's grandparents live.
Is Camano.
Got it.
Right? So I think they're on this strip of land, like right in here.
Nice.
All right, let's check in. Everything's looking fine. Valve flaps are closed because JJ closed them. Yeah, good. So in a few miles, we'll pick up the weather in Bellingham.
Painfield, climbing through 1,500.
Seneca 16292, settle departure, radar contact. Say approach request.
Roger, like the Victors again.
I'm just letting it play. Letting the video replay. So let's actually do a fun video. Where's my phone? Here it is. Is it connected still? That's good. That means we should have audio.
Seneca 292, turn left, heading 250, vectors to final.
250, Seneca 292.
Hello. We are, it is Saturday, March 16th? 16th?
16th.
Yeah, what time is it?
11:15.
11:15. We are heading to Bellingham. Beautiful day, like crazy beautiful. Mid-March, mountains in view. I'll show you those in a second. JJ is my flying buddy because Mom's away. And so, yeah, we're just having a nice time flying around, doing our thing.
Yep.
Anything to say?
Nothing in particular, no. The mountains are gorgeous today. It's great visibility.
And smooth, right? Because
yeah.
Last couple times we flew, you got some bumps, and that kind of
yeah.
upset you a little bit. So it's nice and smooth today.
Nice and smooth. Lots of stuff to see.
Hold this for a sec. There's an airplane
Sure.
going under us I want to just double check on.
Lots of stuff to see. And hopefully, the oil change up in Bellingham doesn't take quite too long.
Because we have plans today.
Yeah, we have plans. We're supposed to go see Captain Marvel, hopefully.
Seneca 292, turn left, heading 160.
So that's exciting. And what else, Dad?
That's it. We'll probably get
Number 121 Golf Sierra, contact Whitby approach 120.7. Have a good day.
20.7, you do the same, 1 Golf Sierra.
November 6342 X-ray, fly heading 16.
I've got IFR traffic over the top of you. You're going to have to stay out or below 35 for a while.
Oh, was that Tango uniform?
Hey, we can do a live action check-in.
Tub T, Tango, uniform, Bravo,
Put me on the screen. Yankee. Put me on the screen.
Okay.
Whitby approach, Skyline 121 Golf Sierra, level 3,500.
Skyline 121 Golf Sierra, Whitby approach, Whitby altimeter 3034.
Hi.
3034, 1 Golf Sierra. Okay, let's close the video and let's I'll give you the view from the other
Whitby approach, Mooney
other
661 following.
Mooney 6612 uniform, Whitby approach, Whitby altimeter 3034, squawk 0467.
0467, 1 uniform.
November 212905, Whitby approach, Whitby altimeter 3034, squawk 0465.
This camera is awesome.
Mooney 6612
really
uniform,
good.
radar contact, Scatter Regional 3 miles southeast, 2200.
1 uniform, affirmative.
What? Oh, it's my hand.
Mooney 12 uniform, are you requesting a handoff with Seattle approach?
Repeat, please, 1 uniform.
12 uniform, are you requesting a handoff with Seattle approach?
That is affirmative. I'm just requesting flight following inbound for Tacoma since I'm near the Bravo.
November 212905, radar contact, Navy Whitby, 7 miles southwest, 3.
Oh, that's what's happening. That's dumb.
November 2905, traffic 11 o'clock, 4 miles, maneuvering 3000 of Skyhawk.
Hey, Dad, let's take a selfie. If you're not busy.
Skyhawk 45 Yankee, traffic 12 o'clock. Stationer 205, traffic alert, 12 o'clock, 2 miles opposite direction, 3200, indicated type unknown.
205, we have visual contact, sir.
Skywagon 205, roger, change of radar services terminated, squawk via power frequency change approved.
205, thanks for help, sir.
Skyhawk 45 Yankee, traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles southeastbound, 3300.
What are you doing? Yeah, have fun.
I'm just messing around with the portrait.
Skyhawk 45 Yankee out of your turn. It'll be your 9 o'clock, no factor.
Expect visual approach runway 34. Traffic flow program in effect for
Mooney 12 uniform reset transponder squawk 4777.
4777, 1 uniform.
Bellingham Tower information.
November 21295, Skyhawk traffic, I should say.
Visibility 10. Sky condition, few clouds, 1000. Temperature 9er, dew point 3, altimeter 3030. Expect visual approach runway 34. Traffic flow program in effect for SeaTac. Advise on this contact.
Information. 24766 would be approach. Go ahead.
All right, what's their tower? I didn't get their tower plugged in.
Where are you at and where are you going?
Back time 1753 Zulu, wind 360 at 5, visibility 10.
Why am I hearing music? Don't turn music. It's Bluetoothing into my.
You're south of where you over by Port Angeles.
34. Traffic flow program in effect for SeaTac. Advise on this contact. You have information. Code back.
Better?
No, I'm still hearing music.
There we go. Yeah, check in with that next time.
November 24766, Libby, altimeter 3034, squawk 0152.
Visibility 10. Sky condition, few clouds, 1000. Temperature 9er, dew point 3, altimeter 3030. Expect visual approach runway 34. Traffic flow program in effect for SeaTac. Advise on this contact. You have information. Code back.
Okay. We have information, Quebec. I didn't hear a wind.
753 Zulu, wind 360 at 5, visibility.
November 24766, radar contacts Quinn Valley Airport, 3300, say type Cessna. Skyhawk 24766, reset transponder squawk 4722.
Does nothing. This doesn't fix it.
We need 6612 uniform, contact Seattle approach 128.5.
It looks different than it looked before.
28.5, 1 uniform.
Ah, man, that's going to need some work. All right, 30 miles. Hey, Mount Baker looks pretty good, huh?
Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that. It's very nice.
Yeah, yes, it's a very nice. Like it very much. I'm running it a little too rich.
Hmm?
I was running it a little too rich. I told you 13, and I think I can go down to like 12.5.
Oh.
Would be approach. This is Mooney 6612. Can you tell me if the MOAs are on?
Mooney 6612 uniform, the MOAs are cold.
1 uniform, thank you.
And you should be talking to Seattle Approach on 28.5.
TIS
That's
not
available.
available.
I was just switching to you because I figured you knew their activity at this point. I'll be back with Seattle. Thank you.
I do. If they were hot, I wouldn't let you in them. And that information's also on the Whidbey ATIS.
Thank you very much. One uniform.
Whidbey approach, Cessna 44902 Bravo is about 3 miles to the east of Skagit. 2.5 negative information. Just wanting a squawk. We're going to be maneuvering at about 2,500 to 3,000 feet.
Cessna 44902 Bravo, Whidbey approach. The Whidbey altimeter 3034 in that area remain outside of the Class Charlie airspace.
902 Bravo 3034, woke up.
November 212905, radar services terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
An airport over there I've done a bunch of landings at, called Skagit, which can get kind of busy. Do you see it? Right there on the ground. Right there.
Apache 3165 Papa, Whidbey approach, the Whidbey altimeter 3034, squawk 0440. Skyline 3909 Mike Echo, contact Victoria Terminal 132.7. November 426 Sierra Papa, Whidbey approach, go ahead. November 426 Sierra Papa, the Whidbey altimeter 3034, squawk 0464. Apache 65 Papa, radar contact Squim Valley Airport, 8 miles north, 3000.
Papa. Papa.
November 426 Sierra Papa, radar contact Cattle Point, 2 miles northeast, 4,100, state type aircraft.
Bellingham's at 160 feet above the ground. Go to 3030 because that's their setting.
Whidbey approach, Skyhawk 1668 Charlie has information Quebec for Bellingham.
1668 Charlie, roger. Skyhawk 68 Charlie, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend and maintain 4,000, 68 Charlie.
Skyhawk 1845 Yankee, altitude restriction removed. Skyhawk 426 Sierra Papa, reset transponder, squawk 4626.
Thousand to go.
Skyhawk 766, traffic, 10 o'clock, 2 miles, southeastbound 2,400, indicated, type unknown.
Approach 902 Bravo, was that for us?
November 24766, traffic, 11 o'clock, 2 miles, southeastbound 2,200, indicated, type unknown.
Ending in Bravo over by Skagit. I can't follow you over there with all those airplanes flying around that area, so that wasn't for you. That was somebody else on 20.7 I was talking to as well.
Skyline 121 Golf Sierra, radar services terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Okay, Squawk VFR, thanks for the help. One goes here. Bellingham Tower, Skyline 121 Golf Sierra is 15 to the south with Quebec along the shoreline for a full stop. No response. No reply. No reply at all. So sometimes we'll get some bumps coming off these hills.
Okay.
Keep going down.
Cessna calling Bellingham from checking that base. Say again.
This is Skylane 121 Gulf Sierra with information Quebec for a full stop.
Skylane 121 Gulf Sierra, Bellingham Tower, enter right base, runway 34, report 2 mile right base.
All right, right base 34, 1 Gulf Sierra.
Bellingham Tower, Cessna 75844 is ready to go at Gulf, southeast departure.
All right, let's do a descent checklist.
5844,
we'll richen up the mixture, that's fine. The ATIS has been recorded, the altimeter has been set, and the GPS is set. Seatbelt's good still, JJ?
Yep.
We'll put the mixture rich, we'll put the prop to full.
Skylane 399er, Mike Echo approaching Ohado at 2,700.
Skylane 399er, Mike Echo, Bellingham Tower, continue report 3 mile final runway 34 and confirm full stop.
I continue a 3 mile final at Bellingham, and we're going to actually do a practice missed approach if that's okay.
9 Mike Echo, did Victoria approve that? I understood you'd be a full stop.
Negative, 9 Mike Echo. Request low approach, 9 Mike Echo.
Full stop, plan on a full stop.
Alright, I'm going to disconnect the autopilot now.
Stop, 9 Mike Echo.
So I got this confused, by the way. The last time I came up here, do you see the airport? It's straight ahead of us. There's like just off to the left, like 11 o'clock. You'll see like brown, and then the strip. So it's going straight that way. We're going to land. So
Is that Bellingham?
That's Bellingham.
Oh.
Bellingham City's right here.
Got it.
So anyway, I came through here. At night with James Wright. And I had just gotten my pilot's license maybe 2 months before.
Okay.
And I had actually gone to Skagit and said, and tried to get the lights to turn on, and the lights wouldn't turn on. So I'm like, all right, I won't land here, I'll go up to Bellingham. So I go up to Bellingham, and the guy says,
request low approach,
enter a left base for 16.
Correct,
and I was like, no, he's wrong. So I went on the wrong side, and he yelled at me.
Cancel, 9 Mike Echo.
Why'd you do that?
Because I was dumb. New pilot.
9 Mike Echo, runway 34 cleared, low approach then, advise cancellation IFR.
IFR cancel IFR, 9 Mike Echo.
Same 440, he'll short, I haven't forgot about you. We'll get this other aircraft out of the way, then we'll get you going.
Roger, thank you, 75844.
I get the airplane slowed down a little bit. We're about 125 knots right now. We're at pattern altitude, which is perfect. Hear the airplane start to slow down, can't you?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. So I got to keep trimming it up.
Ground Allegiant 1003 is ready to push from spot 9.
Allegiant 1003, you're on tower ground 127.4.
Oops.
Bellingham Tower, Skylane 121 Golf Sierra is entering the right base for 34.
Skylane 1 Golf Sierra, right, continue traffic on a low approach Cessna. Additional traffic departing before your arrival will be assessed.
Okay, I'll keep a lookout for him, 1 Golf Sierra.
Bellingham Tower, Skylane 399er, Mike Echo, missed approach, cancel IFR.
Skylane 9er, Mike Echo, roger, understand, copy receipt cancellation IFR, squawk maintain VFR, and left turnout.
Squawk VFR, maintain VFR, and left turnout, Center Mike Echo.
Cessna 844, runway 34, clear for takeoff, no delay, make a right downwind departure, traffic on a right base, full stop, Skylane.
Alright, there's our runway.
Clear for takeoff, 75844.
We're going to turn final. We're not clear to land yet.
Skylane 1 Golf Sierra, traffic take the runway departing to Cessna. And then you want now 1 Golf Sierra, make a left 360 for spacing.
Left 360 for spacing, 1 Golf Sierra.
9er Mike Echo, and say your intentions.
Alright, so here with the left 360, what I'm trying to do is manage speed.
We'll simulate the missed approach, Center Mike Echo.
Under understand you're going westbound then? That'll be northwestbound.
I want to hold altitude,
Simulate to walk up, Center Mike
keep
Echo.
speed up.
9er Mike Echo, right to them. Skylane 1 Golf Sierra, traffic's on the go now, runway 34, clear to land.
Clear to land, 34, 1 Golf Sierra. Where is it? There it is. There's the runway. Now, unfortunately, we're low.
Bellingham Tower, good morning. Skywagon 360 Bravo over Float Haven inbound with Quebec, full stop.
I just saw some porpoises, I think.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
36 Air Bravo Bellingham Tower, say again.
Request switch to Victoria Terminal.
Listen, 36 Air Bravo Tower, say again.
Over Float Haven inbound with Quebec, full stop.
36 Air Bravo, and say altitude traffic departing on a right downwind southbound along the coastline, Cessna.
Altitude 2,500, looking for the Cessna.
Alright, so flaps are full.
2,500.
All our lights
right
are on.
runway
Prop is full.
34,
Mixture's
2
full
mile
rich. We are clear to land.
2 mile right base.
Speed's looking perfect.
Listen, 9 Mike Echo, frequency change approved your discretion.
Frequency change approved, our discretion, Center Mike Echo. Thanks.
A little bit of a sink there along the shoreline, which is weird.
Listen, 844, traffic inbound from the southeast, 2,500 for a right base, Cessna.
75844 will be looking.
Oops, wiggly.
Yeah, it's always going to be a little bit wiggly as you get, like, the wind and stuff. Speed's good. I'm just looking down the runway and letting the airplane bleed off speed.
Wing.
Butter landing like that.
Bellingham Tower, this is 340 Alpha Lima, ready for southbound departure, 34.
Just 1 Golf Sierra, right on Foxtrot, pass behind the Airbus and verify intention.
Foxtrot behind the Airbus, and I'm heading over to Command Aviation in the parking area.
1 Golf Sierra, continue to parking via Foxtrot, monitor ground 127.4.
Parking via Foxtrot and monitor ground 1 Golf Sierra, thank you. Alright, so after landing checklist.
Bellingham Tower, this is 340 Alpha Lima, ready for southbound departure at runway 34.
Direct Cetra 7000, 1 Golf Sierra.